Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and it's going to be a very exciting week because I have something for the chaser. So I got my chaser, a new clutch. So I got the always GIKEN twin plate just to replace my other always GIKEN twin plate that's currently on the car at the moment. And there she is. This is the STR2CD twin plate red alloy cover. It's got the new flywheel in there too. So for the flywheel I got new ARP bolts, much recommended. I got the remain seal, spigot bearing, thrashing bearing, everything you need for a clutch change. Yeah, very stoked, very keen for this clutch to go in because I am just so sick of slipping. And my Civic literally can drive faster than the Chaser around as a daily. So yeah, I'll be going to Unique Automotive for this, and well, I didn't decide to do DIY because it's just such a big job. I don't have the driveway to do it all the time, so might as well just take it to Paden, and that will be on Monday. So yeah, I'll see you there. Decided to take this clutch out and look how mint it looks. Wow, this is the first time I've ever seen a clutch, so bear with me. Hey guys, today's the day. I filmed that Saturday and today's Monday. I'm about to head down and let's see where the Chaser's up to. I'm pretty excited because the clutch is finally getting changed. There she is. Hey Uncle.
Uncle?
That's the old clutch there. Looks pretty good. I don't know if I should say easy.
No, it's easy. Pretty straight. Don't breathe. Don't breathe.
You also had ALP.
Animal.
You think it's all... It's a
Yes.
write-off? It's a write-off?
Yeah, it's a write-off. You got to measure the thickness to really know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. If it's slipping, well. Yeah.
sweet. Good thing I got a new one.
This dust is bad for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kills the sperm count.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Tell me about it. Alright, and just do this. If I can get this. So you lift it. This is no good, see? See?
Hey.
When you get the right tool, eh?
There we go.
Yeah.
That's the remain.
So it's clean. There's no oil around it. Doesn't matter if it's a V6 cylinder. As long as it's twin turbo V6 cylinder, it'll work too. The reason why we put sealant here is that way when we push it in, it slides in easily without, it won't cut the rubber. Yeah, and once it's in, the sealant will dry up and it seals the whole thing. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Yeah. So this way it makes it easy for us to slip the seal in.
Sounds familiar.
Yep. I don't normally put sealant. I let the nature take its course.
Okay.
I have patience. I wait till she's ready. Yeah, I don't force my way in. Yeah, there's no break and enter, you know what I mean?
Oh man.
That's the problem with you young fellas. You're always in a hurry. Yeah. Coming first is actually coming last.
From the best.
Yes. Yeah. You put a bit of Vaseline here. So that way when you start the engine, the seal is not running on dry. This will lubricate the seal and stops the seal from burning as soon as you start it up. Notice how I use my middle finger?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's best to use these two fingers, like this.
What about the
like
pinky
this.
uncle?
No, that's when she's experienced. You got to use all 4 fingers. I don't know what I'm talking about.
No, me neither.
I'm innocent.
Yeah, same.
Yeah. But boys, make sure you wash your hands. She won't let you touch her.
Hygiene is okay.
Yeah. Pop one corner in first. Just rotate a little bit. Yeah, when you get it there, then you just get your nails, run along here to tuck the seal in. There, that's tucked in. And then you just get MC.
MC hammer.
Yeah, MC, just slightly tap it. Yeah, if she doesn't go in, use a couple of swear words, but lightly tap it. That's it. Reel my seals in.
Nice. So one thing that we just discovered is the ARP is actually longer than the OEM, so we have to shave it down, which the previous ones were shaved down. It's 4 o'clock right now and the car's done. It's right behind me and I'm about to go home. Very excited to drive this home and break it in for another 800 to 1000 Ks. Here is the old clutch down here. You can tell it's had its time. I mean, it's been 5 years. Don't know how many Ks it's been running, but I guess it was time to change. And it was a good idea to just change the clutch because it's been 5 years, so things get refreshed. Yeah. Thanks, Uncle. The man.
No worries. No, just 800 Ks.
Yep.
Yeah, stop, start traffic.
Yep.
Yeah, not freeway, that doesn't count, right?
Freeway don't count?
No, because you're not working the clutch.
Oh.
Yeah, so stop, start traffic, 800 Ks. And then might bring it back for me to check the pedal, because it might need to be readjusted.
Okay. I hardly go on freeways anyway. It's just pretty much.
Yeah, there'll be stop, start traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to be first, second gear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
All right.
Sweet.
Good luck. Have fun. Rattle.
Yeah, rattle with the twin plate. I'm gonna end it here. Okay, see ya. Oh yeah, gangsta.